But it seems so obvious. I gotta look up for this one.
Mario, please hold. So, Crazy, what do you think? Lucky number 7?
I gotta do it. Let's go with 7.
All right.
Right.
Okay, now Nikki, am I gonna pick up line 13 or line 14?
Ooh, let's go with 14.
14. That is Danielle in San Ramon.
This is her.
Hi, Danielle. So, as you know, we have one number left for our winning lotto ticket for tomorrow night.
What number do you think it should be and why?
You guys said that you guys already picked 7, and that was the Mega Million that I had picked. Another good one is 24 or 22. Those ones have popped up a lot, and also 15.
Now, if you had to give one of those 3, which one would it be?
15. Really common number.
All right, well, I'm not gonna go with 24 because 24 hasn't been lucky in the past 100 Mega Million dollars. It's not been selected at all. Or does that mean it's due to be? Do you go with that? I love 22. Gosh, I'm gonna take a poll around the room. Benny?
I'll go 15.